The first area of research I did and moved into were the camps. There were 10 of these located west of the Mississippi. The one that our family was in was called NMoCA, which was out in the lava beds in southern Idaho. Total population of these camps, about 121,000. And the 121,000 represented about 95% of all the Japanese American people that were living in America. The government decided that we were not to be trusted, and therefore, as President Roosevelt, in his own words, said, we must put them in concentration camps. That's a term he used. We were in there from a period of up to 4 years. Our family was in for 2 years, 2 full years in NMoCA. Well, the painting that is in the collection here is called An American Infamy, and that was the first of 5 versions. Actually, I think there are 6 or 7 now. But it was an overview of the camps from the guard towers. And there were, not only barbed wire fence, but guard towers with machine guns. And the machine guns, contrary to what the government said, were pointed in at the internees, not the people outside. The government said that these camps were set up for the protection of the Japanese American people, but why were the machine guns pointed in, not out? The rooms were 22 by 22 feet, which is about the size of a 2-car garage, and 7 people were expected to live in that space. Only 1 electrical outlet, no bathroom, no running water. You had to go to a public bathroom and shower facilities, and there were no walls in between. Everything was exposed, and older people in particular had a real hard time with that, obviously.